Oh, floor. Tara. Okay, technical error. Good. Pasto, Wednesday. Pasto, get on. 2 point, no good. Sidama, Pasto, RSB. Gets filled by Kerr. Easy way up made by Kerr. 2 points.
Nice. Go.
Grab by Kerr. Here, looking for a pass. 8 seconds of violation. Walo.
Bakit yun pa lang yung nag-whistle lang? Lahat mo lang. Hey, wait! Sabi niyo yung referee, di kami gasis.
Bisa kamu makasabot mo English pero Ayan na kay pagkato pakal mathematical equation na. English ka. RSB Pasto Doggy Pasto RSB Wala easy people so good. Pasto Defense very good. Set up wide Librado has been divide for 3 bang 3 points made by Divine.
Pizza!
Sino? Orioles B, Pastor Jose, 4-3, bang! 3 points, made by Orioles B. Score 42-41 in favor of the Black Mamba. Kirk, attempting to shoot to 3 points. 3 points, made by Kirk. Walang papasok ha? 3 lang, 3. Orioles B. Harassed by Red, Pasto, Dog for 3, bang! 3 points, made by Orioles B. Dogs, divide for 3, they run, leader by Umali to Librado, Pasto Dog. Kirk giving the ball. Pass to Dongs. Pass to Ryan. Attempt to shoot a 3-point shot. No good. Right, Kian. 2 points. Made by Kian. Score. 44-45 in favor of the Black Mamba.
Dalawa pa. Oh, yan.
Oh, 47-44, sorry. Okay. 4-3 again. 3 points. Made by Orioles B. Kirk. Pass to Divine for 3. Bang! Right there. Who's going to get a rebound? Rebound by Ryan. Pass to Kirk. For 3. Bang! No good. Rebound by Divine looking for a pass. Pass to... Is it... For 3. Bang! No good. Sino makakuha ng rebound? Rebound by Orioles B. Pass to Orioles B. Pass to Dog. Nice! 2 points. Made by Kirk.
Black Mamba.
Woo! Grabe! Nagtitirahan sila! Countries! Four minutes and 55 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Score 47-49. At ang lamang ay GLs na po mga kaibigan. Mainit ang laban. Okay, continue na tayo. Continue na tayo ng ating laro. Meron sila.
Black Mamba's ball.
Bola, ato bola. Kuya, ato bola.
Pass to Kian, with a fadeaway shot. No good. Who's gonna get the rebound? O'Malley. Pass to Orioles B. Pass to Librado. 2 points made by Librado. Kirk getting the ball. Looking for a pass. Pass to Ryan. Pass to Kian. Back to Ryan. Back to Kirk. For 3. 3 points made by Kirk. O'Malley to Orioles B. Pass to O'Malley. Back to Orioles B. Orioles B dribbling the ball. Looking for a pass. Pass to O'Malley. To Doggy. He drives. No good. Rebound by Divine. Pass to Dongs. What a nice space by Dongs. No good. Hindi ko masaya bola. Rebound ni O'Malley. Pass to Orioles B. Looking for a pass. Pass to Dog. No good. Can't get the rebound. Rebound by Gian. Gian.
Nice.
And 2 points made by Gian. O'Malley. Malley took the ball pass to Orioles B. Orioles B. Orioles.
Good.
Gian. Layup. Time out. James. Actually. 3 L's. Rookies.
Nice.
Effect. Sige mga kasama ko. Ready na kayo Hindi kasi payag to Friends lang. Joke lang yan. At least nag-enjoy tayo lahat. Diba? Iwas lang tayo sa mga masyadong physical. Alam mo na. Paalala. ICC, 80% lang yan. Alright.
Austin.
Ito na ba? At then po nagtapos ang timeout. Score! 54-51 in favor of Black Mamba. Grabe. Grabe ba? Grabe ang labanan. Mainit-init pa. Okay. Ian dribbling the ball, pass to Orioles B. Orioles B, pass to Riley. Easy 2 points made by Ryan. Orioles J, pass to Orioles B. Orioles B dribbling the ball. Orioles B, no good. Rebound by Diaz. Back there, Anderson, 5-5. Ayan na ball, pass na naman nila. Kurt, easy 2 points made by Kurt. O'Malley, pass to Librado. Librado pass to Gian. Gian, back to Librado. What a nice take by Librado. And a floater. No good. Ryan dribbling the ball. Mainit-init ang laban ng dalawa. What a foul.
Dodo.
First personal foul. First personal foul made by Orioles B and first team foul for the third quarter. Si Ryan. Again, got a rush by Ryan. Pass to Orioles B. Inaaral siya kayo ni Gongs. Pass to O'Malley. Pass to Gian. Pass to Orioles J. Back to O'Malley. O'Malley for 3 points. 3 points made by O'Malley. Score 59-54 in favor of Black Mamba. Mainit din naman mga kaibigan natin ako. Kaya naman si Cart. It's an offensive foul made by Ryan. Number 1. Back pass to Gian. Back to Orioles B. 4-3. 3 points made by Orioles B. Score 57! Tabla na po mga kaibigan mga. No good!
Table time out.
Di na kinaya ng machine, masyado kayong mainit eh.
Sino yung
Di na kinaya. Ano, lamang ang Black Mamba. Ano pa. Kaya kalit mo na ano kasi. Ano yung engine, yung machine, hindi na ano.
Relax lang.
Kinakalit. Kalma. Walang bayad to, okay? Kalma. Ginagawa ng paraan. Kalma.
Walang 62 yan. Tama. Okay lang. 59 lang. Dalawa lang. Oh, good na. Wala. Oh, lamang sila. Lamang ang Black Mamba.
Tumitawag.
Yung player doon muna sa bench nyo. Yung coach lang ang lalapit dito. Yung coach lang. Inaayos pa ng committee natin yung ano.
35, 47, 50, 52, 54, 57. Tama!
Tama tayo.
57 din ako. Amen? 57.
Hindi, lamang pa rin.
Nirecount na yung ano. Nirecount na yung ano. Yung
Score kung babay points yan. Kung 3 points or 2 points. Dito po.
Dalawa lang to. Last ba? Yung natali. Yung 59. Ano last points po ni Jake? Orias. Last 2 points. Orias. Assist ni George. Last point niya. So? Jake?
Sino yung last na 3? Dos yung nakasunod sila dos sa last.
Okay lang.
all. Deadlock.
Oh, deadlock tayo ha?
All 59.
All 59. All 59 tayo. Sorry, dito ang tayo mali.
Hindi na ilagay yung dos na huling shot. Okay. Tuloy na tayo.
Okay, resume na tayo.
Okay. Pepe. Alright. Kurt. You're in the ball. Harassed by Gian. Screening Gian. Kurt. What a drive. That's no good. Rebound by the battle pass to Gian. Oh, by the power. Steal the ball. Wala. Kuwari. Orias Chay. Libre na naman sa tres. 3 points. Made by Orias Chay. Divine for 3, no good. Out of bounds. Ball on 3 hours rookie. Orias B. 10 seconds remain time. 6, 5. What a nice throw. No good. Rebound by Gian. Get it back.